Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I have another FICM 2005 Chevy Silverado 2500. This is coming from California. Ray Campa. This is your FICM. Somebody tried to perform or attempt to repair the FICM. So it was already open or halfway open, and somebody installed. I mean, let me just show you the pictures. So this is the way it came. As you see, there's not the correct capacitor. And also there was a short in the board. Luckily for Ray, I was able to fully repair his FICM. As you have noticed and have seen in previous videos, I do repairs that you will not even notice that this is even done and it looks like original. All right, so but let's go over to the test. So pretty quick, I'm just going to show you diagrams. Connectors C1 and C2 on the FICM, they are marked, so you will see pins 1 to, I think it's 105, no, sorry, 120, I think. Don't take my word on that because I don't have my glasses, but I think it's 120 or so. But all right, so CAN bus high and low are in pin 90 is the positive and or high, and then pin 90 is CAN low. As far as powers and grounds that I need to power up and make sure the the FICM is actually powering up and working is grounds on pin 2 and pin 114, and then power coming into the FICM on pin 5 and pin 19. So that's all I need. And I have those power up or connected as you see. Black are grounds, red are powers, and then the CAN bus high and low. All right, so let me get this oscilloscope. For this, I'm using the picoscope 6402 or 6404 or 6204. I'm always wrong with the numbers. All right, but my settings are 200 microseconds per division, so we can see this. I got a good sample rate. Channels C and D, which are green and yellow, are the ones I'm using for this one. 5 volts per division. I am also setting a filter for 3 megahertz. That is so we can see a nice and clean signal, which I'm also going to save because on previous recordings, I just save it without the filter and I try to apply the filter and it just doesn't look right. All right, so but let's power it up. We will expect to see a healthy combust, and immediately powers up and is good communication as you can see. So I'm going to stop this and I'm going to save this to his folder. So just give me 1 second. All right, save the file, and this is stop. So I'm going to run it again, and I have, as you can see, the trigger is not even, it's actually set up for channel C. So sometimes it's actually better to put in on lower so that it stops the signal better, especially when it's a faster signal. I have noticed that unless you tweak your trigger, which you can do, you can change the type of the trigger. If you go over to pulse width, that sometimes helps a lot better to actually analyze the data a little better, and you can change the thresholds. But I also noticed a single edge, if I put it down on the bottom, it stops the signal a lot faster and better for me to analyze the data. You can change the time base. Remember, this is a very good and capable oscilloscope, so we can save a fast or a longer time base and then zoom in to analyze. But you can see all the packages of communication are there. Everything is working properly. All right, Ray, this is just a short update for you. Your FICM is back to life and is ready to go. I will also do the curve tracer and all the powers and everything as all the tests that I usually do on the FICM, not on the video. If you want to see, go and see. And this, I just did one not too long ago where I show all the tests and everything I do. I don't want to make these videos too long for something that I already did. I will add this same video to the playlist. If you want to go and see, just go into FICM. Let me just show you the playlist 1 second. So if you go over to my channel, just trying to cover up some of the information that I have in here. So let me just go to my channel, stop this from playing, and then let's see, create a playlist. You can do a search on the channel, like if you're here, not the Apple search, because that will be YouTube search. But if you click on the one on the bottom and you just go for FICM, and that's just the letters of it, right? and you click on it, that will show all the FICM videos that I have so you can see all of them together. Um, this was updated 5 days ago, so this is probably, and you can see again if you click on the first one, it says view full playlists. So you can then visit all the ones and you will see all the ones that I have here. And then the latest one is actually from Andy in Florida, and that has all the tests and all the information that I use and I do for these ones. You can play it as a 21-minute long video, and then you will know what I'm talking about as far as all these victims. All right, guys, thank you so much for visiting the channel. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.